2, 1, start.
Wait, is it
Yes, it's recording.
Okay, cool. Watch. Woo. Wait, hold on. Just flip. No, flip. Flip. Keep, change, flip. Yeah.
Alright, you have a watch. It works. Sort of.
Alright, put it on my thing.
Hold on. Works.
Put.
Hold on. Start. Alright. What do you do?
Alright, hold on. First we gotta surprise him. We gotta stun him, then you thwack it, okay?
Alright.
Thwack! Alright,
Oh, I
okay.
smacked it.
Alright.
Hold on. Alright, hold up. Oh, I smacked the bitch.
Alright, let me see. That was not smart. You just touched broken glass.
You.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright,
okay.
let's see if it still works. It's not appear to be working.
Alright, let me have a go at it.
Have a go at it. Let's hit it from the back. Yeah, that's what she said. Dude, she went sicko mode. What's in here?
Alright, let's find out what's inside. Hold on, let me
What's
see.
inside? I want to whack at it. Alright. I feel like this isn't very smart.
Alright, Jake, you figure out what's inside. I'll run it.
Alright. In case y'all was wondering, this is what's inside a watch. Stopwatch, to be exact. Oh, look, there's a battery.
Is the video over?
No. Why would it be over?
We got more pieces.
More pieces. You gotta pick up, like, everything.
Yeah.
Or, like, sweep it. There's glass. Shove my finger in the glass.
Like and subscribe for part 2.
You need a... Alright.
Aw, dude, look what I found.
Dude. It's funky. Alright, Oh. As you can see, the string is still intact. It's a pretty good string. Hey! Oh, I want to do that. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Well, string is still attached.
Who goes there?
Are you still? Yeah, yes.
Yeah, I'm still recording. Deal with it. Oh, beep, beep. Alrighty. Now we're gonna see what happens when you take.
Well, that's not me doing a giveaway, guys. The most person to like and subscribe is gonna get the broken watch pieces. Hey!
Knock, knock.
What are you doing to your torch?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we're gonna turn that into a torch.
Turn you into a torch. What else do we got?
Let's see how many blunts Jacob can take to the human skull.
Oh, God.
What's inside a human skull? What's inside one of those spinny light bulbs? Mockery!
See, if we, like, take darts,
Alright, go, Jacob.
throw it.
Yep.
Dude. That's a 777. That's useless. No, stop. See, actually, Bullseye is broken because there's a giant screw in it. So let's just say I got a Bullseye. It's just a 15. I'm good at darts, just so you know. Noah, what are you doing to the watch? Okay. Oh, dude. I'm so good at darts. I know y'all jealous of my dart skills. Then another 777. Too good. 17. Ooh. I know you love to see the dart skills. It is a 777. I'm horrible at recording. Oh, that was a funky throw. Ooh. Ready? Bullseye. I lied. I was just kidding. That's enough darts for today.
The snow is snowier than before.
What?
I said the snow is snowier than before.
Did you clean it all up?
I did.
Good boy. Thank you. We've got dogs. There we go. Let's see. What else is there? There's still pieces. That's not a lot. Sweet. 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 Sweet.
My name is Cleveland Black.
Oh, that's so funny. Because he is of that skin color. And funky. Maverick! That's what I thought. Now let's stop. This isn't Fortnite. This is a bird's nest.
I need to get brick material.
No, Noah. There's another bird's nest. Noah!
Jake.
This isn't Fortnite.
I'm gonna go John Wick fight soon.
Read us. Going to cook you on the grill.
They got took a big hunt.
Wubushi. Wubushi da pangyo.
You know what makes me mad? When people say like,
Punk.
sure.
Sure.
Like, they put like,
Sure.
yeah, they say, it's like the sure. Not sure.
Yeah.
You know? It's like Gibbs not sure.
God gives that sure.
It's like Gibbs not sure.
Yeah, sure. Whatever you say. Ah! He's trying to attack me.
Gibbs law sure.
Noah!
Sorry.
Stop! Let's see what's going on the inside world. Maverick!
Is this MTV Cribs?
No. Maverick! Come on, let's go inside. Maverick! Maverick! Come on, you got the ball? Let's go inside. Fine. Stay out here. Read it. Hey.
Hey, this is Noah Schumann, and this is MTV
Nope.
Cribs.
Nope. Goodbye.
This is my crib.
Nope. Nope.
Over here.
In the fireplace. And I was just kidding, man. Help.
Do you want to see my crib?
No. Oh, let me close the fireplace. Help me. He's fondling my leg. He's trying to take my sock off. Somebody help. Haha. Suck it. Is Maverick wanting to come inside now as soon as we come inside? The little prick he is. No.